Here's Drake's first try at cereal. Not through a bottle. Gotta do the work himself. He's just staring at the camera.
I don't think he realized it too.
Can you put more in there?
Well, I don't want him to choke.
Because a lot of it's still sitting in the spoon. Oh, a bottle's so much easier. It's not so bad, is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, there it goes downside.
Yeah, you have a lot in your mouth.
Yeah, you need to swallow, bud.
Oh.
Oh.
What was that?
No, that's funny. Not funny?
No. So clearly he's enjoying this.
He's doing pretty well, though. He just doesn't realize that it's what he wants.
Yeah.
He's used to the bottle, knows that's what he wants.
Oh. You just splattered that. Oh, there it is.
Good catch, Mom.
On the back. You have a lot in your mouth. You gotta swallow.
It's just sitting in his cheek, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you went.
Tyson.
Tyson, please stop barking.
Here. See? This is good stuff. No, I don't think you need to get
Oh,
in
your
there.
hands are so good, though.
Like making a mess. See, this is good.
Yeah.
Tastes kind of like your bottle. Okay, so if you put your hand in there, I can't feed you though.
Oh, he just knocked all of that out. Oh, there it goes.
Hey, what you doing, Missy Man?
Oh.
Oh, I got more. It's okay.